Hello once again and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to bring you a little Disney magic. We're headed down to Orlando, Florida to Disney World. We've been planning this trip for a long time and we finally got to pull the trigger on this trip and we had a blast. We're going to leave some information down below to who we went through to go on this trip. And without further ado, let's get the Disney magic rolling. Here we are, arriving at Disney World Pop Century Resort in Orlando, Florida. We arrived about midday at our resort. The plan for the first day, after finding and settling into our room, was to check out the resort and ride the Skyliner to get a lay of the land and to check out where the bus drop-offs were located and pickups were located.
How far are we?
We're on the 4th floor. Check it out. We're up as high as the Rubik's Cubes.
Yeah, we're so high. Down there. Let's go down here.
Have a nice day.
We got big track tapes on ours.
8-track tapes. Welcome to the 70s. Mood rings. Look at the big wheel. Oh my god. I'm not sure who is more excited to be here at this point, Evan or myself, but Disney does have a way of bringing out your inner child. And if I'm being totally honest, my inner child stays pretty close to the surface anyway. So here we go.
Here's your Mickey.
There's Mickey.
Got a telephone.
Here, look at Mickey. Oh my gosh, that's a big telephone. Woo. That's so cool. So where are we, Mama?
We are at the Pop Century Resort at Disney World.
Pop
Florida.
Century Resort in Disney World, and we're staying in the 70s, which is the 70s block, which is our building. There's our 70s. In a Corvette. Come here. How long is it going to be for what? We get to the ride?
Skyliner?
It's just right up here. We're going to ride the Skyliner and check out some Disney parks from the air.
It'll take us to another resort, and then from there we can either go up to Epcot or over to Hollywood Studios. We'll go around and back. We don't have theme park reservations for today.
We're just going to hang out on the ride at the Skyliner.
Check out the Skyliner.
It takes us from park to park.
Ride in itself.
Yep. But we get a bird's eye view of the parks and where we're going to be in a couple days.
Here we go.
We're gonna catch up to them.
Yep, there's the bus drop-offs. Now that's where we'll get off. We'll ride the bus tomorrow to
Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom. So
Yeah.
that's basically what it'll look like.
We've got a bus to Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board.
Yeah, we don't have to get off.
We don't even have to get off. Just stay on board.
In our resort, checked into our room. We are just enjoying the Skyliner, so we're just riding around to all of the stops on the Skyliner. It's fun though.
It's fun and educational. You get to see where you're going and how the lay of the land, basically. Pretty cool. You can see the bus routes and where we land and how the buses let off, which we'll be riding the bus tomorrow. Not only do you get to see where the buses pick up and let off, but you can see how the crowds move through the gates and the park so that you can avoid some of the congested areas.
I love this horse.
Are you having fun?
Yep.
Yep.
Cheese.
What do you say, Mama? Having fun? Yeah. And it has just begun. We're gonna ride the carousel, aren't we? Here we go. Woo-hoo. What do you think? Look way up there. That's where we're going. Whee! Yeah! Yeah! Of course, our family being huge Star Wars geeks, we spent a lot of our time in the Star Wars areas at Hollywood Studios. Some of our favorite rides were the Millennium Falcon, Star Tours, and Rise of the Resistance. Here we are, waiting in line to get onto the Millennium Falcon ride. As you can see, waiting in line is totally immersive in this world. And here we are, getting in line to wait for Star Tours. And like I said before, sometimes waiting in line was just as exciting as the ride itself.
Alright, Martin, I'm getting full power reading. Now, shut down the system before you discharge.
I bet you're wanted. I want to be wanted. I want this bag to be cleared.
Not only did we get to stop and build a custom BB-8 unit, but we got to meet some of the characters as well.
Take a picture quick.
May the force be with you. And as the sun set upon this area, the mood slowly shifted to the dark side.
Video while you walk up. You need to get in the picture too.
Join me. Rebel spy. Let me be clear. Your implication in this act of betrayal would be most unfortunate.
And here we are, about to ride the Rise of the Resistance.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good, now get a move on. Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
And after crashing back down from this wild ride, we got to meet some of our favorite characters. No better way to kick off the evening than with a laser light show and some fireworks. I hope that you enjoyed part 1 of our Disney vacation. Please tune in again and catch part 2 and continue our family fun and adventures together. Before you leave, please hit that like and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell so that you can get notifications on all of our new content. Thank you once again for watching. Have fun, be safe, and get out there and get busy living.